This wall shelf with decorative brackets is made completely out of cardboard. But how strong is it? I'll be uploading a stress test video shortly to find out. But first, let's see how I made it. To make the decorative part of the brackets, I transferred the design onto 1-ply cardboard using carbon paper. Using a sharp X-Acto knife, I carefully carved out the design. Using sharp X-Acto knife is important because sometimes cutting 1-ply cardboard also can be challenging. I cut 3 non-decorative parts for each bracket out of 2-ply cardboard. I cut a small notch into all 4 bracket pieces to attach a support strip, but later I made these notches a little wider. Coming back to decorative part of the bracket, I cut strips of kitchen towel and used white glue to cover the rough edges around the carved design. I glued all 4 pieces of the bracket together as shown. I sandwiched the decorative part between 1 and 2 non-decorative pieces. Then I covered the remaining rough edges of the bracket with the strips of kitchen towel and white glue. One bracket is now complete. I made the second bracket the same way. I glued 3 pieces of 2-ply cardboard together to make a sturdy shelf. Then I covered the rough edges and one side of the shelf with paper strips. I glued two strips of 2-ply cardboard together to make the support strip and covered it with the paper as well. As I mentioned earlier, I made the notches wider and glued the support strip into them. I reinforced the connection by gluing strong paper strips over the joints. The hanging part of the brackets tends to push inwards, so I placed the wooden dowel between the ends of the brackets to keep them in place. Finally, I glued stoppers to the back of the shelf to prevent it from sliding sideways. Now the building part is done, so I applied gesso all over the brackets and the shelf, and then I painted the shelf and applied varnish for a polished finish. And here's the final look. I hope you like this idea for making wall shelf with decorative brackets out of cardboard. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.